Cooking for my family and friends really is my love language. It just makes me happy. People always ask me, what do you really love to cook? And I just do. I've been on the road a lot of my career. So when you come home for just a few days, there's things you gotta do. You gotta get your laundry done. You gotta, pay your bills. And you want a home-cooked meal, but you don't want it to be hard. And now with Williams Sonoma, we've made it even easier for you to make really great home-cooked stuff that the work is done for you. It was really important when talking with Williams Sonoma about developing these recipes together that when you make my mama's meatloaf at your house, it tastes like it would taste if I made it at my house. The same went into the making of this peach pulled pork barbecue starter. I don't have to go out and pick the peaches and put the sauce together. I'm gonna use this jar and it's gonna taste exactly like it would taste if I made it from scratch. You can make my mom's meatloaf at your house. You can make my dad's barbecue, and we've made it really simple for you. I feel like the great chicken tender experiment has been the last year and a half of my life of trying to perfect the perfect dredge for chicken tenders. Even my mom's most complicated recipes might have several steps, but they weren't really hard to make. And I love to pass that on to everybody who's cooking at home because we all want our lives to be easier and we want our food to taste good. When I wrote my first cookbook, I remember one of the editors saying, you need more sexier spices in your cookbook. And I'm like, my exotic spices are salt and pepper. And now I can say, I have an exotic spice and it's Trixie Dust. Trixie Dust really just came to be in trying to find something that was a little sweet, a little savory, with a little bit of kick to put on French fries. I've tried it on just about everything, whether it's called for or not. Summer in a Cup was originally born on a really hot day in Oklahoma in a swimming pool. We went inside and we just put together all the things that we had. They're great with or without alcohol. Williams Sonoma and I have been friends for a really long time, and we've done a lot of things together. And the reason I'm still here and still doing this is because I believe in it, because it's good, because we work really hard to make sure that it's easy for you. I can't wait to see what you do with this collection. Make it your own. Enjoy your party.